That's why it's funny.
Husband love. Yeah, let's order. So, Edouard gets our food. I'm hungry. Come on. Let's go. You're getting Ashley.
You're like on my boob. Like, I'm not kidding, you're like roping me.
What's your grandma's last name?
Your last name, you idiot! Oh my god.
No, your other grandma. Fran.
Your last name!
What's your first name?
Fran!
Oh my god.
Oh.
Monkey.
This is like scripted almost.
What's her last
No,
name?
because my mom's
Your
like,
last name. No, Fran. Your last name. Oh, what's her first name?
No, because my mom thinks she knows her. It's the right person. I think she knows the person who used to live there.
Hi, Jersey.
The person who used to live in that house was Mr. Kramer.
Well, my mom used to whoever lives in the house is me. But I don't think she knows who it is.
Oh my god.
Oh. Let it out, Jersey. There you go.
Ew, was she
That's actually a
puking?
good deal.
She's not puking. She just has to do that to breathe.
Let me guess.
Alright, do you want to order it now?
Yes.
It's going to take half
Wait, what time is it?
7:15.
6:04. It's not 7.
6:04.
Oh, yeah, order it now. It's fine. Ew. I hear him.
Jersey, are you okay?
In Mexico.
Hi, Jersey.
What's your guy's name?
You're not gonna know yet.
Ew.
Jersey girl.
Jamie, smile.
Oh.
Is my thing held up? It must be.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.